Welcome to DF Markets multi-timeframe analysis. One of the most important aspects of technical analysis is multi-timeframe analysis, which refers to the process of analysing the market on different timeframes to get a better sense of market conditions and price behaviour. The main objectives of multi-timeframe analysis are to identify the dominant trend in the market as well as highlight key levels. So if our trading timeframes are the 1 hour or 4 hour charts, then we want to be looking at the daily and weekly charts to get a sense of the bigger moves that are taking place to see if we can align with them. If we know the price is heading down clearly on the weekly chart, then we are far more likely to catch a move playing to the short side, selling rather than looking to buy. Furthermore, analysing the charts in this way will not only help to identify better trading opportunities, but will also help to avoid getting caught on the wrong side of the market. This chart shows a period of price action on the 1 hour chart. You can see that the price has made a double bottom with a higher low and has broken out above the reaction low, which could be a good place to buy, anticipating a move higher. Similarly, you can see that after price does break higher from that level, that we start to push above the next high. Again, this could be a good signal that the market is breaking out and we should be looking for long trades. However, if we take a look at the daily chart, we can see that the AUD/USD has been in a heavy downtrend and that the period of price action on the 1 hour chart is merely a short-term correction to that trend. Instead of looking to buy into what could only be a short-term move, we would be far better off looking for an opportunity to sell, as we know the dominant trend is bearish. Furthermore, you can see that the corrective period we are looking at actually only retraced up to retest the last broken low in the bearish trend, before reversing lower and resuming the trend. This is a great example of where multi-timeframe analysis can help us identify key levels, as this would have been a great place to sell for a bigger trending move instead of looking for a short-term buy on the lower time frame.